Man got scared that I was about to exchange the bike, bro. I literally am speaking no words. Actually, this is supposed to be a vlog, so you know what? Let's do it. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So, I guess I'm talking loudly because I'm excited. But yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. So, probably this is gonna be my first vlog if I upload it. Yeah, so I'm just going into Chennai right now. So let's see how Chennai's nightlife is like. So me and three of my friends are going to this place called Soul by Diaries. I actually don't remember the proper name, but it's called Soul. So we'll all be going there. So he's one of my riding buddy. He and there's one behind me, Triumph Scrambler 400, and there's one more Classic 350. He's in front of us. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully, no accidents and no getting caught by cops for exhaust. And yep, uh, and I'm wearing a smoked visor, so it's not helping me out at the night. So let's see how this goes. So he's another riding buddy of mine, and there's a Triumph guy. If he goes past me, I'll show you. And he is Triumph. Say hello, bro. Say hello. Fucker, say hello, bro. It's fine, leave. He didn't understand shit. And there's cops. Cops, cops, cops. I just hold my clutch in for them not to fuck me up. That was a close call. Holy fuck, bro. Cops. Hopefully I don't... They actually catch me. I have a very loud exhaust. Oh, it's an R1. It's an RX group. What is this cycle guy doing? I'm just making him go a little bit front because if there's any cops, he will signal to us. And hopefully there's... I guess there's a lot of wind noise for you people, but I'm really sorry. I can't close my smoked visor right now. So this vlog is gonna be with my visor open. Hopefully you people can adjust to it and be accordingly. I'll try making it better in my editing. It might or might not be, so let's see how it goes. So how are we friends? So they both I met like 3 days back. I just met them in the parking lot, and then my buddy in the Triumph, we were roommates, so we know each other like that. Huh? You wanna try? You are? Then I'll record it. Let's see. Man is saying he'll pop a video. Let's see. Oh, fuck. He tried. It's always this Duke people though who does all this shit. I mean, ride a Duke, bro. I'm not kidding. You'll actually love how it rides. It's so smooth, like so good to handle. You can just flick it like however you want. It feels like you're riding a cycle. It feels that light when you're riding it. I love the way it rides though. I mean, that's the only reason it became Chapri. Because for that less price, getting that much power and that good handling is like too good, man. I can't even see him where he went. It was a good ride though. I can hear the classic, and probably you people can hear a lot of wind noise because it's windy today. The weather is nice though. I'm not railing my bike because I'm scared of cops. To be honest, I never got caught by cops, so I don't want to get caught by cops. The road's not that good as well. It's bouncy, and I have a bag. I have a bag, so not getting the confidence, bro. Hopefully, it's all recording. Bro, drag! 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 Drag, bro! Drag! Oh, the GTA actually went faster, even though his initial was so good. By the way, how much time did it take to go 100? I didn't see itself. I didn't even launch it properly. I was too much on the clutch. I mean, don't launch your bikes a lot because it actually spoils your chain sprocket and even clutch. Fucking hell, bro. Oh my god, the road's not that nice. And my gear got stuck in between. And that might have actually been hurt along with it. Look at him, bro. Chill, bro. There are cops in front. Damn, look at what he can do with the Duke, bro. It's like too flickable, no? What's all this rush? Hopefully there's no coffee here because I just left there. It's a red, what? Oh, okay, now it's a green. But that's a flight, that's a flight. Oh my god, look how big it looks from here. Damn. Chennai airport is actually nice. You can watch flights. The view was so nice though. There is a cop there. You know what? I have to stop the vlog, or else my storage will get too full. I'll again start it. Where you wanna go, bro? It's better to go slow in roads like this because you never know from where anyone will come. So you go slow in roads like this and go fast in the roads where I just went fast. I mean, it's now recommended to go fast also. Oh lol. So we park here maybe, or else we just take the footpath. Or else we just take the footpath and be an extra taxpayer and I pay tax. I paid road tax, but I'm going on a footpath. Okay, I can fit through this. I can fit through this. Yep, I fit through that. And then going back on the road. Hopefully there's no cops. Oh, I need to, swerve it. Oh, fuck. Went on top. And then again, go like this. And there are people here. And then maybe, is this the place? Nope. So, how am I going through this? Is this a Duke, man? It will fit anywhere. It fit. And hopefully it'll fit here also. And then, oh my god, his was just missed, bro. Hopefully it won't touch down. Yep, it didn't touch. Man, his scrambler is there. His scrambler belongs here, bro. He's just enjoying this, this trail here. Because he knows his scrambler is what it can do. Oh. And me here with the GT with 0 ground clearance doing this shit here. I shouldn't be revving, maybe. Huh? Yeah, that's what even I thought. His bike belongs there, bro. Your bike belongs in the trail which we just did. Where I got down of the footpath? I thought mine will touch, bro. I was like, bro, this guy, I found the use of his bike. Well, there's actually people here, bro. Oh, okay, so this is the place. Wait, let's just go see once. Sold by Dyer. So this is the place I came. Let's see how the food tastes and how it goes. Fucked, bro. Fucked, bro. How much will be the fine?
No idea. First time. First time.
I didn't know it fines like that, bro.
You did it. I was like, oh fuck. I don't know if it captured or not, but probably did.
If it actually captures, I have like fog lights also on, bro. There's no way it can capture that.
I'm fucked there.
Huh?
Am I fucked?
I don't know.
Go, like in the front only, anybody can see the number plate.
Bro, they can't see this though. There's no way a camera can capture that.
Yeah, fine. Now what about mine?
Bro, what the fuck was.
Going slow, bro, because of you I struggle.
I didn't know there's speed cameras, bro.
There was no speed limit coming as well in my.
You know, there's only camera there. You see here, there's not even one camera. Ah. So, this was the ride today. It was fun. I love it. Man, it's been very long time, just taking out my bike like this and just going without a destination. It's fun when you do rides like this. That's my friend's bike who's, full bike is full of sand. Ah, damn, I feel sad for that bike. By the way, yeah, after going to the beach, you might have to wash your bike because the beach sand is salty, plus the beach water is salty. Because of the salt, it will start rusting very fast. And plus, all these Royal Enfields are made of metal, right? And any bike, there'll be metal parts and stuff. So you have to like deep wash it, deep clean it because it should not rust. No, yeah. I don't know what I'm talking, bro. I'm really sleepy right now. It's past 4. And tomorrow I have to shift. A lot of work, dude. But still, I'll never miss on rides like this. Rides like this are actually fun. So I'll see you all in the next vlog probably. If I post this, 99% I will post this because I want to edit and I want to start posting. So this might be my first vlog if I post it. Let's see what'll happen. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. It's my first vlog, so bear with me. And if there are any suggestions whether I should edit differently or anything, please comment. Because I'm just a starter, I'm just a beginner. I'll learn from you guys. I'll learn from the advices which you give. Yep. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next time. In the next vlog. Yep. I'll see you all in the next vlog. Bye bye.